Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a somewhat complex object using two or more sketches at the same time. So how I'm going to do this, I'm going to use one sketch, create an object, and then use another sketch to cut that object. So the object I'll be making is a battery cover for my Tyco terrain twister. I have a video on that, on how I modify this to be a hobby grade toy. I'll put a link somewhere. It did not come with a battery cover. I could have spent another $5 to buy a battery cover, but instead I decided to buy a $200 3D printer and some filaments that I don't particularly like, but it is what it is. This is the first attempt at the battery cover. I used calipers. I measured, typed down all my measurements, put it into the CAD, and I created it. But it does not fit. So this is the version 2. I'm adjusting the model, I'm adjusting the sketch, and I have to recreate the solid objects and change them out. So I might as well show you guys how I did this, because there wasn't any clear and concise tutorials on the internet. And yes, does not fit, so I have to redo that. Alright, into the software, let me hide the bodies. So this, Jesus, why quick rant, why does every single CAD software have different buttons for navigation? Like middle mouse does this, I have to press shift to move around, but in Maya you press alt to move around. Please. And in Cura, well, Cura is not really a 3D thing, but you can do everything with your mouse. You don't need to press shift or alt to look around. Anyways, this is the sketch. This is the sketch from the top-down position. Nope. Yes, this is the sketch from the top-down position. Let me click on that. These are my dimensions. When this project is done, when I get the battery cover to fit, check out the 3D model in the link in the description down below. I'll put the model available for you guys for free on Thingiverse or Thangs or wherever. So this is the first model. This is the front view, well, the top view. And let's go into this view. This is the side view. Behold the side view. To cover side view. Yes, these are my dimensions. Okay, finish sketch. And now I want to create the 3D create this into 3D. So how to do that? You first extrude it. So you select your sketch and you extrude. I'm not going to do that because I already did that. Ta-da! Behold, extrusion. I have extruded this to the width of, let's go to the top. I have extruded this to the width, which is over here. Come on. You probably can't see it, but the inner sketch is here, the width is here. But as you can see, I can't get this top piece here with just the plain sideways extrusion. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to... Oh, come on. I'm going to turn this off, because we don't need it. Yes, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to extrude the top-down view up into the side view, and I'm going to, well, not cut, I'm going to do an inverse cut. An inverse cut, this would be called the intersection. So the intersection of these two of this main body here and the sketch the intersection of those two will become the what you call it, will have that as a new body, and it'll be nice. So let's do that first. Select, I'm gonna select my sketch, extrude, operation, we're going to go intersect, objects to cut. So you're going to select this again, your sketch, and then I'm going to press shift, because this sketch is really and truly in two parts. And what is the total height of this? I do not remember, so I'm just going to extrude it up, and only the intersections of the two parts will be aligned. Don't worry about this janky print. I had printed it like this. This is literally my third print, with Benchy being the first, and this ratchet fidget spinner being the second one. I broke it because I was fidgeting too hard, and this is the third variation. Alright, so sorry, focus. Oh, and because the bottom of this shape has a belly, you need to ensure that all of this geometry, all of your entire shape is above the origin. Because if it's under the origin, it would not intersect, because the sketch is on the origin. Alright, and I just pull this up. Alright, that looks good. And ta-da! That is how you do it. And this... okay, well, I guess... Let me name this... Oh, okay. It already has a name. Body side after print. So this is basically my version 2. Alright, yes, and that's how you do it. That is how you cut... That's how you create a complicated object from 2 sketches, or how you cut a body with a sketch, or with an... I'll figure out how to name the video, and I'll have the finished version of this printed and ready for you guys to see. I just have to add the feet, and I'm going to add a pocket here, because I don't want to waste all my filaments totally filling this, even though I don't particularly like this multicolored filament that I bought, and I kind of like it and I kind of don't, but it is what it is.